Today I'm going to show you a watercolour medium you may not have seen before. This is Aquapasto. It's a translucent gel medium that was designed to reduce paint flow and thicken watercolours to give a unique and subtle impasto effect. I'm going to add some Winsor & Newton Smalt Professional Watercolour. To begin, I'm mixing just the paint and Aquapasto. You can see how the mix retains the distribution of the pigment. If you dilute the mixture with a little water, you can see how the flow of the diluted colour is increased to give you this lovely smooth glaze-like effect. In fact, you can use the Aquapasto mix as a transparent glaze. Now compare this with the watercolour paint diluted with water alone. I really like the way the watercolour starts behaving quite unlike it would with water alone. The Aquapasto decreases the flow but also keeps the colour from pooling in one area, which you can see in the water alone example on the right. It could open up a range of opportunities in your work. I hope you found this video useful.